I'm Lise Kengo, Executive Director of the United Nations Global Compact. The new Sustainable Development Goals set the long-term agenda for our world, aiming to end global poverty, protect our planet, and build a life of dignity for all by 2030. The SDGs open up enormous opportunity for business to be a force for good. At the UN Global Compact, the search is on for local SDG pioneers who are making these global goals local business. Are you a business leader or change maker advancing sustainable development locally? If so, I hope you will visit our website to submit your story today. It is time to celebrate the individuals and businesses behind sustainability in local markets. Please join us as we seek out local SDG pioneers who will help pave the way to the future we want.